is not what that is supposed to sound like. Time for a repair. The maintenance and operation of my machines is definitely one of my favorite parts of my business. I've been blessed with some really good machines and I don't have to work on them that often, but whenever I do, I actually enjoy it. I've got 6 machines with an accumulated 3,000 hours on them. My business depends on them and there's nothing I don't know about them. This is my new fan. This is the old fan's connector next to it. And take this connector off of here and put it onto these wires. This fan is done about that much. So to the iron, solder still on here. Boom, just like that. Pull it up and him stuff. Get it out of everything's way. Make it easy. Stick it up there. Ta-da! And we are back in business. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Like and follow if you want to see more cool videos about me growing my business and stuff.